Why does your scanner show the P0326 engine code? What does it mean? P0326 is a diagnostic trouble code for knock sensor circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that this means your PCM has detected a problem with the signal from the knock sensor. This can cause noticeable symptoms like engine knocking and poor performance, and it requires diagnosis to find the root cause. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective knock sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Improper installation or mounting. Faulty ECM or PCM. Electromagnetic interference. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Kia vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.